Hello and welcome to Simply Pennies. I'm Kat. Grab a seat and hold on tight because it's time to take a walk around the penny. Let's kick off the show with our winners. First up is global technology symbol GTLL. This stock catapulted 1,200% on 1 billion shares. This technology portfolio company announced today that they completed a merger and acquisition agreement with VX Partners. VX owns several social media technologies and has over $15 million worth of technology assets. Global Technologies will keep its current name and trading symbol. Our second winner is Mammoth Energy Group, symbol MMTE, which rose 50% on a volume of 214 million. In late December, they announced that the demand and sales for lithium-ion batteries is expected to triple to $60 billion in the next 10 years, and they expect to participate in the revenue flow of this sector. Rounding out the winners is Cotton and Western Mining, symbol CWRN. This was a winner on the show yesterday, and they came back for seconds today. This stock has been on a steady climb all week and today rallied 85% on 145 million shares. Wondering why this stock has been on such a tear all week? Maybe it's because the iron mining and export sales company has projected $32 million in revenues for the first quarter of 2011. But before you jump on this bandwagon, traders should take note that the OTC slapped the stop sign warning on this stock. Buyers beware. Our first loser of the day is HNH Imports, symbol HNHI. They dropped over 16% on a volume of 2 million. A press release this morning announced that they have exclusively acquired the rights to a product called the Turbo Baster. But the big news about this stock is whether investment partner 50 Cent broke any laws when he plugged the company on his Twitter account over the weekend, telling fans to purchase the stock. No legal actions have been taken yet, but 50 could turn into the next Martha Stewart. The next losing stock comes courtesy of Deltron Incorporated, symbol DTRO. The stock fell 19% on a volume of 48 million. In November, they announced that their Blue View division was discussing sales of components and licensing agreements for rebreathers. Our last loser is Blue Diamond Ventures, symbol BLDV, which dropped 50% on 65 million shares. No news on this company since September when it announced that its wind study was completed to satisfy project financing requirements. The project is for a wind farm in Colorado. The stock has been up and down between 0.0001 and 0.0002 all week, and today just happened to be an unlucky day. Don't worry, traders, there's always tomorrow. HIRU Corporation, symbol HIRU, was a popular chat room topic due to a press release. The company's subsidiary invested $450,000 in its research institute. The company believes that its research center represents the future of vaccines in the Chinese agricultural market. The stock opened at a little over a penny and had a high of 0.017 and a low of 0.0068. It fell 11% on 84 million shares and closed the day at 0.0089. EGPI Fire Creek, symbol EFIR, was another hot topic. It opened at 0.0096 and had a high of 0.015 and a low of 0.0095. Overall, it rose 24% on a volume of 4 million and ended the day at 0.0118. This morning, they announced that their subsidiary was awarded a contract to install an advanced call center for college recruiting services. And finally, our quote of the day comes from Trader 9305, who said, "I go and let the dog out and I come back and my 6-year-old daughter has a map of Chicago on my L2 monitor." Really? Well, Trader 9305, maybe she knows something about Al Capone's vaults that Geraldo didn't. Two stocks today were up to their knees in BS. Let's first start with Fibrocell Science, symbol FCSC, which had two newsletters pump their stock today. The stock jumped up 11% on 2 million shares. Today, the company issued a press release indicating that the FDA has accepted for review a complete response submission for the company's treatment of wrinkles. Further studies are planned to test the company's technology for treatment of burns and acne scars. The newsletter said that all of this information is promising, and although that may be true, let's play devil's advocate here for a minute. The FDA only accepted the study for review, not for anything else, and keep in mind the trading volume was low and paid promoters are hyping the stock. Stay tuned. Next up is North American Nickel, symbol WSCRF, which had an unbelievably good day. It skyrocketed 1,920% with a volume of only 500. On Monday, a press release announced the company's discovery of high-grade copper, gold, and silver on its property in Ontario. We have to give this company credit for at least having some news to report, but we're still calling BS on this rally. The trophy is yours. You don't have to like it, but you do have to accept it. Thanks for joining me today. Feel free to interact with us on our homepage at simplypennies.com. You can also connect with us on Facebook and Twitter. I'm Kat. Bye. The Turbo Baster is an innovative. Sorry. I wanted to say Turbo Bastard for some reason, and it made me laugh.